Welcome guys to the Crochet Biz channel. In this video tutorial I want to show you one more single crochet granny square that is similar to the orange one that I posted before, this one. They are almost the same, but still it is a good chance to learn how to crochet both versions. If you are looking how to crochet an orange square, please check my YouTube channel and video tutorials that I posted before. Start with a magic ring, and as usually I'm using medium weight yarn, 100% acrylic. It's a Caron Simply Soft yarn and 4 millimeters crochet hook. Into the magic ring make 8 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now pull the tail to close ring, find the first single crochet, and we are not going to make a slip stitch as we would usually make, but right into the first single crochet, start next round and make 3 single crochet. 1, 2, 3. So this is the first corner. Now 1 single crochet into the next stitch, and I do suggest you placing stitch marker into the central single crochet out of those 3. So let's unravel last single crochet. So we have 3 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, and place stitch marker into the central one. Okay, now make 1 single crochet in next stitch, and again corner 3 single crochet in next stitch. Let's repeat 1 single crochet in next stitch, then 3 single crochet, 1, 2, 3. So this is the third corner. Now again 1 single crochet in next stitch, and then 3 single crochet, 1, 2, 3. Now here pay attention, 1 single crochet in next stitch, and we have also first single crochet out of those 3. We also make 1 single crochet in next stitch. So on one side there will be always 1 single crochet more than on the other sides. And now into the next stitch, where we place stitch marker, make 3 single crochet. So we start the next round, 3 single crochet, and we form a corner. Again, into the central single crochet out of those 3, place a stitch marker. Now we have 1 single crochet in next 3 stitches. Again, into the central single crochet, make 3 single crochet. Repeat 1 single crochet in next 3 stitches. Now 3 single crochet into the next central single crochet. Now 1 single crochet into the next 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3. Into the central single crochet. Again, we form a corner, 3 single crochet, and the last side before the stitch marker we will have 4 single crochet. So 1 single crochet not in next 3 stitches but in 4. 1, 2, 3, and the last one, 4. So we have always 1 single crochet more on the last side. Remove stitch marker and let's start next round. Make 3 single crochet into the next stitch and place stitch marker again. Now 1 single crochet in next 5 stitches. Three single crochet in next central stitch, and again 1 single crochet in next 5 stitches. Repeat again 3 single crochet in next stitch, one single crochet in next 5 stitches, again 3 single crochet in next stitch, and here again pay attention, we will have 6 single crochet instead of 5. So 1 single crochet in next 6 stitches, 5, and the last one 6. Again remove stitch marker and start next round. 3 single crochet in next stitch, return stitch marker. Now we have 1 single crochet in next 7 stitches. So first it was 1 single crochet, then 3, then 5, and now 7. Now 3 single crochet into the central stitch. Again 1 single crochet in next 7 stitches. Now 3 single crochet in next stitch. Repeat 1 single crochet in next 7 stitches. Again 3 single crochet in next central stitch, and on this side there will be 1 single crochet in next 8 stitches. And let's imagine this is the last round. I just want to show you how to finish the square. Now remove stitch marker and make slip stitch into the stitch with stitch marker. Okay, so that's how you're going to finish your last round. Otherwise you go on making increases and working around until you reach desired square size. Cut the yarn, pull the tail, and here let me show you how to join. Thread the tail onto tapestry needle or yarn needle. Just pull the tail underneath both loops of the next stitch and then into the center of the last stitch. Here it is. Now let's weave in ends. Do not pull tight. Cut the yarn and your square is ready. So this square will probably need some blocking, so you decide. It also depends on the yarn you're going to use. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial with me. Again, if you want to try another solid granny square, check my YouTube channel or my blog. I wish you all a good day and see you soon. Bye.